Hi everyone, welcome back to Get Updated Now, and here we have a box from Iherb. And if you know Iherb, then we are going to unbox this together, and if you don't know it, still we'll unbox this together. But I'm going to tell you about a little about Iherb, that this was founded in California, USA around 25 years ago, and they are offering the best selection of premium brands of herbal medication or natural health products in affordable prices. And this company is global, so they are shipping in more than 185 different countries. And their warehouse is located in USA and in South Korea also now. So you know that they are dealing with more than 30,000 natural products, and these products are trusted. The manufacturers are trusted, the brands are trusted. So it's not anyone who can be there, because they have a proper quality protocol and they have highest industry quality standards, I would say. So here is the box. Now you see the packing, they packed it really well. And here is something that I ordered because I like anything with wasabi. So this is a healthy snack. Then this one, if you know about nutritional yeast. So these are the things that I ordered, or I was recommended to use. And because of the health problems you have, it's always better to go for natural products. You know that other medications, somewhere you have a lot of side effects there, so it's always good to go for natural medication. Now, you know, even if you're not satisfied with your order, or if the products that you get, and you're free to return them. So you can return like in 60 days from the day of purchase, and then you get your refund. So this is a perfect place to get natural health products. Now if you look at whatever I'm showing you, everything is natural, proper vitamins. So you can ask your doctor, or if you have a dietitian or somebody who is helping you to get into good health. So aloe vera gels, of course, you know that how good aloe vera is, and then this is even going to be better. This Yum Earth is kind of candy which I ordered for my daughter, so my daughter can enjoy some candies which are organic. Yeah. And here we have another one. Okay, so a lot of things, and it depends on your health issues. So this is a syrup, so you see it is packed separately. Now I'll open this and show it to you. So this is like a special one, because it comes from a special fish, or a fish which is in Iceland. So cod liver oil, not in capsule but the real oil. But I was lucky to get a flavored one. So this is lemon mint flavor. So this is what I wanted to share with you. So if you're looking for any natural products, please shop at Iherb. I'm sure you will get whatever you're looking for, the vitamins, the minerals, the anything. Okay, so I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.